Welcome to the J&J Auto Wrecking test video for L3BU453. This is a 1973 Buick Centurion Convertible. Did not even know this car existed, but saw one of these at the local Copart and had to have it. Car is powered by a 350 cubic inch V8. We are going to be selling that complete with the belt-driven accessories. I think it's a Rocket 350, but I'm not sure. I know it's a BOP when it comes to the transmission bolt pattern. Other than that, not really sure. We're going to fire that up here in a second. This car was in great shape before she got clobbered, though. It's going to have a ton of good interior pieces on it. Really nice door panels. Seats are in immaculate condition as well. Check out the rear there. I mean, this bad boy has an actual usable back seat. I'm 6'1". I'm going to sit back here. Yeah, I could actually ride somewhere in this. This is back when they made real cars. Man, it's a lot to take in. Crank windows. Well, that stinks. Would have thought this thing would have had power. All right. Moving along, though, a lot of good parts on the rear of this car as well. Drop down that deck lid here. We're going to have a nice deck lid, rear bumper, taillights, license plate pocket here, / fuel door. Convertible top. I think we're going to test that here in just a second. Let's go ahead and fire up the 350, though. Oh, I locked myself out. How'd I do that? There we go. 75,602 miles. I'm just going to fire it up really fast and we'll let you hear it. Ooh, that jump box is weak. Oh, carb life, got to pump it, Lee. Nah, she just needed a pump. The old carburetor life just needed the 1-2. There she is, though, running well. I'm not going to run it for long because the cooling system is completely compromised, but there it is. Somehow it made it. Factory air car, too. That's kind of cool. Let's get that convertible top up. I know the back window is compromised, I believe, but let's see how she goes. Oh, there we go. Man, that's cool. I don't know if you guys can see this, but look at the scissor action on this thing. Man, that top is impressive. No back glass in it, though. Not gonna have back glass. Let's test it going back down. Man, this thing's cool. Like a go-go gadget roof. There it goes. Nice and back down. I'll shut it off here. Not going to test the transmission because I know one of the transmission lines has popped there and I don't want to pump all the fluid out. We do have a nice set of hubcaps for sale. We got those off for photos. Rear axle, I'm guessing it's a 10-bolt. We're going to have that for sale. This dashboard, we're going to be selling that, and we're going to be selling all the pieces out of this cluster setup here. Radio works, can't test it because of copyrighted music. Climate control is working well. The windows are manual. What else have we got? Not a lot of chrome trim on this girl. I think we're gonna have all that for sale. I jumped the gun. It's lunchtime. The guys aren't done inventorying this car, but I just needed some alone time later to work. So that's gonna wrap up the test video for L3BU453, our 1973 Buick Centurion. You guys can find all the parts off this classic Buick on our website, www.jnjautorecking.com, or by giving us a call at 800-425-1555. Whew, out of breath because this thing stinks, man. All the exhaust fumes. If you guys found us here on YouTube, go ahead and do us a favor and click down here and like and subscribe to this video so you guys can get notified first of all the other kind of cool cars we have coming on in here. And then head on over to Instagram and give us a follow at J&J Auto Wrecking. Thanks for watching, guys. We're out.